Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are in the Outpost campground just outside of the nation's newest national park, the New River Gorge National Park. These folks called this morning. They had a little boo-boo, and we're gonna see if we can get them going today. Let me show you what we're working with. Oh, and by the way, I should mention that I know this is gonna be a great day because I hadn't been on this job 2 minutes and I drew blood already, so it's gonna be a great day. See anything wrong there? They forgot to raise the tongue jack before they pulled out of their campsite this morning, so I have obtained a new one from our local RV dealer, and we're gonna get that one old and off. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to sawzall that one off, so I'm gonna break out my Milwaukee M18 sawzall and we're gonna whack that thing off, and I'm gonna take y'all along. All right, broke out the sawzall, and the reason we have to cut that off is because that jack goes through a plate here and a plate down here, which you'll be able to see in a minute. So we can't pull it out of there's two holes with it in that kind of shape. So that's why we're gonna have to cut it off. I think I'll set you guys up on the other side and let you watch from over there. So get your safety glasses on. If you don't have safety glasses, just squint. That way you won't get metal in your eyes. That was easy peasy. Tell you, I love my Milwaukee tools. I wish I'd have went Milwaukee tools a long time ago. Been a good move for me. All right, now we got to figure out where they got the power for the jack, because I got another electric jack to put back on there. Okay, it just goes right here. So yeah, well, somebody, this is not the first time this has happened. Somebody done a nice job heat shrinked over butt connector, and then up here they just used an old butt connector. So we will probably go back with heat shrink covered butt connector right here. Let me go get some stuff. I just lopped that wire off, and oh, I should mention, if this was not setting on their truck, I would have to put a jack under the tongue of this trailer to support it before we take these bolts out. So don't make that mistake. If you're changing one of these, maybe the motor's gone bad and it's sitting on the ground, don't take them bolts out until you support the trailer on something, either your truck or a jack or something. So next thing I'm gonna do is take these 3 bolts out, and then we're gonna switcheroo the jack. Oh, man, that's tight. I like to use a wrench on that. do yourself a favor too if you're doing this job. Resist the urge to use impact tools or something on this, because as our old buddy Tony at VLRV says, you don't want to put too much mustard on these bolts because you will strip them out. Okay, I'm gonna get them last 2 bolts out, and then be back. I'll slide the old one out and slide the new one in. All right, last one. These star washers are supposed to be between the jack and the tongue of the trailer too, because the ground for the jack is right here. So let's see if I got enough of that thing cut off. Oh yeah, what you talking about? New jack comes with new hardware, which we're going to use. Doesn't come with new star washers, so I'll have to get some star washers out of the truck. I'm also going to wire brush this a little bit. All right, that's good enough. Slide the new one in. Not going to be able to put the washers where they're supposed to go on this one, because the bottom of the jack's concave. So I'll end up putting star washers on top just like they had it, which is not the proper way, but it's the only way on this one. All right. As far as I know, all these tongue jacks have the same bolt pattern. As far as I know, I've never run across one yet that had a strange bolt pattern. Now, that might happen later this week. I don't know, but I've just never seen that. So let me get this snug-a-rooed up again using hand tools, so you don't strip those holes out. Okay, that's done. Now we need to wire it. This fuse holder probably has a 30-amp fuse in it. I want to make sure that they actually have a fuse in this system, because I'm thinking they don't. Gotta figure out which one of these wires. Oh no, it's probably that wire. So yes, they do have a fuse in it. I'll double check that. You know what, on second thought, I was going to reuse that fuse holder and just splice the new jack wire to this old jack wire, but you know what, I'm just going to put a new ring terminal on the end of this wire and run it straight to the battery. That way we got a new fuse holder, because those fuse holders are notorious to corrode and quit passing current. And so yeah, I'm just going to snip that wire off right there. And I'm just going to run the new jack wire right straight to the battery like it's supposed to be done. Yeah, that's how tight that terminal was. So we'll just slide it right under there. And we'll just keep on going. We'll route that wire it runs through and goes through a couple loops back here and then goes up to the battery. Let me do that, and we'll just crimp this end on. Alright, just crimp the new end on. I'm actually going to tighten that bolt up on that terminal though. I wonder if the rest of them was that loose too. Oh, that was good. That one was a little loose. Not bad. Okay. We're all good. See if she works. Alright, new jack does come with a new sand foot. It just pins on. Just like so. So there you have it. There you have it. This is a done deal. These folks will be able to get on the road here in a few minutes as soon as we settle up, and yeah, so once y'all get settled up, don't forget to visit my Amazon store. You'll see a lot of the tools that I use on my store, in my store, and also don't forget to go to my website. All kinds of stuff going on there. Merch links, place to get hats, stickers, hoodies, t-shirts, all that stuff. And yeah, that's it. I do have to go up the road and fix another one, and y'all have a fantastic day.